So, this is the start of Ao Nang / Krabi vlog. Don't have a clue why that's there. Google Maps has brought us off the beaten track once again. I like that. It's a very wholesome little market. All the food bit just starts here. We didn't even realise this bit existed.
I don't know. They're really good at preserving stuff like it.
So they're just banging us on these boats to go around the corner. Thought I'd just have a little walk down this street with my mango shake. It's a full-on tourist attraction as well as a beach. This beach has got to be up there with some of the best ones we've ever been to, I must say. Maximum chill out mode engaged. Some kind of like spider monkeys up there, just chilling in the tree line.